guys, welcome back to another video here at Pitstop. It's been a while, a long while to be honest, and a lot has happened behind the scenes since our last video, and as you might have understood by now, we're going to do some modifications to the V10 wagon. Behind the scenes, as I said, it's been going on quite a lot of stuff at the same time, and we made some decisions for the channel first and foremost, and that is that we, for an unforeseeable future, will continue doing English speaking videos. So unfortunately for all you Swedish fans, you'll have to make do with my half-assed English, and yeah, well, same goes to you English speaking people, but at least you now can understand me. So that's the first important part to know about us going forward. More English oriented videos so we can reach a broader audience, which we feel a lot of the cars we are planning to showcase on Pitstop, to be honest, deserves. Because the thing is, guys, we have a lot of news coming. Today we're gonna focus on my white S6 V10 wagon. We're gonna exchange the damaged spoiler that I talked about in an earlier video. The good news is that the company running the parking lot where the car was damaged said that they're gonna take the bill, which they honestly should do, so that's always good. So I bought a new Maxton spoiler, you have it in here, that we're gonna replace the old one with. But as said, more things are coming, so if you are interested in especially V10 cars, but others as well, engine sounds as well is something we will continue looking more at. Please make sure that you subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up, and of course let us know what we do well and what we could do better going forward. But yeah, behind the scenes we have some new cars coming. Yeah, you heard that right. I mentioned the last time we were discussing about buying a new S6 for the garage. That happened. Henrik, my business partner, bought a new S6 for a real bargain price. So we now have 3 V10 S6s in the Pitstop garage, and we also have two RS6 C6. So that's like the V10 plus 2 turbos. Besides the new S6, the Count and the Baron, which is our very own V10 mechanic, they actually gone and bought a complete RS6 C6 engine with turbos and gearbox, fully functional, but just the engine and the gearbox, so we have one in spare. And yeah, so a lot of things happening in the background. And do you know it, I've also bought my daughter a car. Yeah, she had a birthday a couple of weeks ago, she turned 2, and of course she needed an R8. Audi all the way, V10 on the side. Might not be the normal V10 you're used to, but hey, it's an Audi, it's white, and it says V10 on it, and yeah, I'm super happy about the new R8 at least. My daughter, maybe not as much, but hopefully she'll be. With that said, let's get into Speedy, Malmö's finest garage, where we're going to talk with Richard.
Hallå, tjena. Hur är läget?
Hello.
Hej, det är bra.
Det är bra. Here it is, and for those of you who haven't seen it, yeah, exactly this parking lot took a bite out of my spoiler. And as you see, it's not like the car is super low or anything. It just had those kind of sinkholes, but a lot worse over there. And my car paid the price. But now it's time to fix that with a new spoiler. Good job.
Thank you. It's really hard to get up here.
Yeah,
it's not hard. I'm just
super hard. But the hard thing is to know how long that freaking bonnet is, because it's pretty long and I don't have any sensors in the front.
well, the main problem is that this car is so low, so it's hard to
except to get it up on the normal lifts. Yeah. So we're actually going to talk about that. We're going to talk about that in a later video, talking about the entire Maxton kit, my experiences with it, pros, cons, is it worth it? I think it will be a bit too much in this video, but yeah, Richard pointed out one thing, that it makes it harder to get the car up on a normal lift. So yeah, but now let's focus on the front spoiler.
It's like Christmas.
Exactly.
When you get the package.
Christmas time.
Let's see what you have bought, man.
Yes.
It's very interesting.
And here we go, a new spoiler.
Wow.
Should be identical to the one I have.
Yeah, yeah.
But in one piece.
Yeah. Is it?
No,
Carbon, no?
it's just normal plastic.
Ah, yeah, yeah.
So it's pretty cheap. That's why it doesn't hurt as much when you
Yeah,
when you break it.
Yeah. This the third one you have, or?
You bad boy. It's only my second one. To be honest.
Liar, pants on fire. No, just kidding. Just kidding.
It is the second one, but it probably will be a lot more. And the thing is, Richard, you don't even know that there are other cars coming.
Yeah.
That's gonna need front spoilers.
Oh, really? Yeah. That's good.
So
I like
we'll talk about that later.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah. And Richard will really like when he sees the car as well.
Yeah. I love this car. It's,
it is something special.
inside my heart, it's like I cannot explain. It's melting, you know. I love it.
The sound is.
It's a real German power, real deal, you know.
It is. And I mean,
I love it.
And it will never happen again.
Yeah.
A freaking V10 in a station wagon. It's insane, and we love it.
It's true.
Yeah, so this is the thing. I think they actually send I don't know if they get you like these kind of self. Yeah, I don't know the English word.
But maybe we can use the old ones.
Yeah, exactly. I think that would be easier, and we can just measure from what we have on the current setup. So yeah, so there you have it, guys. I just remembered, the Baron, he is really picky with doing things the correct way. So the screws we talked about, I don't know if the spoiler actually comes with like these self-locking screws, but the Baron didn't think that was enough. Richard, you actually have bolts on the other side. So it has a bolt, what's it called?
Really?
Muttrar, what's it called in English? Yeah, so you have like the screw, and then you have the locking bolt on the other side, because he wanted it to really stay put. Have you ever experienced car troubles and car reparations that doesn't turn out as you planned? Yeah, I thought so. This happened today again. We realized that in order to reach the bolts that we have on the inside of the front here, we need to remove the entire front bumper, and it's super busy here in the shop. They have a lot of tires to change because it's gone from winter to summer season here. So they just had a shorter time slot booked for this, and this is gonna take longer time. So I need to drive home with my broken spoiler, and yeah. But back here at a later date, hopefully early next week, we will go from here to here, but another day, and continue this project. See you soon.